So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use your voice control to navigate your iPhone without using your hands. Now in order to do it, just simply open for example open the settings. Now here in the settings, scroll down until you see this option of accessibility. Simply go over there. Here you're gonna see this option that says voice control. Just simply go over there and turn this option on. Once you do that, it will show you this quick setup, and here you're gonna see the examples that you can do using voice control. Now here in this command section, you will find all the commands that you can do by using your voice. For example, if I'm on the home screen and if I say open control center, so it will directly currently the screen recording on is that's why it's not working. But if it's off, all of these commands will only work with my tongue, with my voice, and everything that I control will be right there. Here you can see I can control text, I can control dictation, advanced gestures, basic gestures, overlays, basic navigation using my... All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.